Hello everyone, this is Jing from KINGREAL Machinery. Today I'm going to introduce our octagonal profile punching and roll forming production line with you. The octagonal profile are commonly used in roller shutter doors. This production line is capable of producing two sizes, 40mm and 60mm. Switching between these two sizes simply require replacing the movable exchange roller stations. Let's take a look at the configuration of this whole line. At the beginning is the double head decoiler, followed by the hydraulic punching stations. We equipped with two stations to punch the holes on the profiles. And then comes with our roll forming sections. It equipped it with 22 sets of forming roller stations in totals. And the roller material, we use CR12 MOV mold steel, which is the best material for roller manufacturing. For the touch screen, we use Delta, the famous brand in China. Here is the saw cutting stations. It can cut the product without stopping the machine. The production speed can be up to 10 meters per minute. At the end is the output table to receive all the finished product here. If you are interested in it, please contact us through WhatsApp or email. Thank you.